Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Do you have problems with mismatched paper sizes in your PDF documents? The best way to solve this problem is to change the size of your PDF. In this video, I'll show you how you can do this. Let's go. Changing the paper size manually can be challenging or sometimes even impossible. Fortunately, this tool that I am using simplifies PDF resizing, making it quick and easy for anyone. It's a user-friendly tool that lets you effortlessly change paper sizes, edit text, annotate, and even resize multiple files at once. The key features of this software include an easy-to-navigate interface for quick paper size adjustments. It delivers high-quality results, maintaining text and image clarity without distortion during resizing. The tool also offers both standard and custom dimension options for precise needs, along with batch processing to efficiently resize multiple pages or documents simultaneously. Available for both Windows and Mac, this software prioritizes data security, ensuring your files remain confidential. You can download this software for free using the link I've provided below. Once you have installed the tool, open it. You will see two options for opening your file. Click the plus icon at the top right corner to open your desired file, or go to Open PDF in the blue bar to select the file you want to open. Once your PDF is uploaded, you'll see various options. On the home page, there are Crop, Select, Extract, Split, and other options that will allow you to edit your PDF according to your needs. To resize your PDF, use the Crop Page option. This tool lets you adjust the document's dimensions to your desired paper size. You'll notice that there's a line with the sizing buttons. For uniform changes, click Crop Setting. You'll then be prompted to enter the unit, margin controls, and page range for your adjustments. The unit section allows you to specify your preferred unit of measurement, such as centimeters, millimeters, inches, or points. If you're working with a standard letter size, you'd select inches to define its dimensions as 8.5 by 11. Once your adjustments are complete, go to Page Range. Here, you can select the specific pages that will have their size adjusted, whether it's a selection like pages 3 to 4 or the entire document by choosing All Pages. If your content appears too short or merged, you can also use the Split option to separate sections or pages. After making all necessary adjustments, remember to go to the File tab and save your changes. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.